Problem one is fabrication not receiving a complete item. So maybe if it had PVC, it didn't have acrylic, and if there was acrylic over there, there was no PVC over there. So fabrication not receiving a complete order, and CNC tables not being standardized.
Jake and I are working on standardizing as much as we can in CNC, and the first thing that we realized is that the tables are nowhere near the same thing right now. That's Beef's table. It's the better table. I mean, it's obviously not the best it can be. We're going to keep making it better. And this is our current table on cart line 1, and it is just an old dinosaur.
So we decided to use the old CNC table for a staging table. Essentially, Daphne brings her acrylic and puts it on the table, and I will bring my orders that need acrylic to that table as well. So that table is the waiting table, and then once an order is complete, it will go straight to fabrication. There's also now a spot on the list, so you can mark it off that it's there.